Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Taekwondo Association hakakat atruk ya yong arajar pausan kala Aiti yagi nyup kundai ligi black belt shakinong yale kai Taekwondo shinrang bakin thai kibla depan tebet yala de bakin thopru yaki lai pun league certificate jagi national referee bakin thopru yakawan salan dekhar ke belong ke technical official nek national games ke padang shudap longshan hakat jilla Uttarakhand. Haka jingalang pun kuburam ke belong ha Golfling Community Hall Shillong haka atruk yayong arajar pausan lasa kilang do district sports officer jong ke East Khasi Hills uba o mautho ublong kumukongsan ringkar ke jingalang jong ujian secretary jong ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba finally parian u president jong ke Meghalaya Taekwondo Association u Matthew CH Moment ujian secretary ujadu Mani Singh bat kiwe.
Thank you so much, guest of honor. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation.
We went to Uttarakhand this year, and we hope that we see some more to join in technical and also to promote this. Congratulate once again the Meghalaya Taekwondo Association. As you know that working as president, secretary, members, all are voluntary. We are not paid. So please respect them also because they dedicate their heart and soul, the money, the energy to promote you. So all we need is a big thank you and a blessing for you so they can work harder to promote our Taekwondo athletes. So I thank Mauto also being here. He's a DSO. He can help better. He's from the government. From the MSO side, we have been helping a lot for Taekwondo. All the equipment, I think, since 2021, we have given lots of equipment both in the latest. So this time, national game, whatever you want, you'll get this time. So be prepared to give all your estimates, and we hope that with the coming of the national game, the infrastructure, main is infrastructure, because every asking how many medals Taekwondo get, I said, we don't promise. Because national game is all the top international athletes that participate, Commonwealth, Olympic, but just to be there with them is an honor to participate with them. So the main aim of the national games is to get infrastructure. When we get infrastructure, then the athletes will come up like Manipur, Assam. It's not before the national games. After national game, then they become champion. Because infrastructure, without infrastructure, how you pass, how good coach, without good coach, how you'll do. So same like school, without teacher, without building, no, it's not possible. So this time, we're lucky with the national game. The infra will come in the national standard, and we hope we'll promote future champion from this national games. I think congratulations once again to Meghalaya Taekwondo and to all the awardees. Keep it up and continue the good work. Thank you very much.
Ningkong te banga poisha kani ka feel ban lekai ngaklemdan jingmut ra ban lekai ka Shillong ba ngakwa namenta self defense te hadian pat suki kata kawan kata ka jing sutenat ma kawan kata ka jing sutenat hanga ba ngakwa ban lekai ban compete haki championship ban compete haki nationals kum to ter nadu ba nga join te hadu mentahi ka peloy bangan rung hakani ka taekwondo ken hadu menta ningkong ngasdang ban lekai ban rung hakani ka taekwondo hausna ma hajar khatnyo hangto kapor kadon kawai ka team kabawan ai ne ka club mo kabawan ai self defense hapo government girls na ngalit class hapo government girls te nangto ngasdang ban rung hangto ban practice CA te nadu 2017 hadu mentahi ke jingya nanti jonga te mentang pade ngala shim ya kenika sinjam bangan longkum kata ka first national referee mo jong Meghalaya ban represent ka national games te mentahi nikong ngaso ban ai ngo yo belai ba ngalong kum ni kum bangalong din limba jing don kat jong but kamtam ya kibahing hasem imei nang ta kihinmen para but kumjuru nga kwa ban ai khublei kerpang ya ka association ka Meghalaya Taekwondo Association ka ba support but ka ba I will see yang bangan poi shudu kene ka thong ken bangan poi hadu kene ka thong bangan yo ban represent na ya ka Meghalaya sya kene ka national games ban officiate ma te ka message jonga minta kalong ba nga kwa ban I mean sim yaki para samla yaki khna mo bakin rung shaki sports bakin ai kapor jongki bakin pulut por haki jingkilan met haka sports ban like na kono jing snew khamtam menta ngi iba kajela jongi kala jele ha ki kam snew haki example drugs mo ubala jele hadu kata te nga I mean sim bat nga kuntu yaki bakin ai kapor jongki ha ka sports bakin pelut por kenang ba ka jila jongi rukan kiu kumbangi tip mo mentangi pen kre na menta ka national games ka banwan hau arjar arpunyo te ka jila jongi kan host mo ya ka national games te ka message jonga yaki parano ile kai kalong ba ngin 3 minute but ngin ai kapor jongi sha ka kanik jing lakai hakono ka sports bangi don hakono jing lakai bangin trash hitam bat ngin don kata ka goals bangin aim bangin yo ya ka jing job ma hau ni u arjar arpunyo national games ka banwan te ngin pen kre ngin trash hitam ngin minat bat ngin ai ka porjongi te bat kumjuru hi ba ngin balance ya kata ka porjongi kalong ka bakordor hoi ngitip mo baro ngidon laki kam ki jam ngidon haki jing pule te bat kata kan long ka jing thot bat ka jing penthot yang mo ngin balance ya kapor ngin bati ya kapor jogi bat kumtang ngin la ban yo ya ka jing job.
This program is mainly of the black belt holders, those who have taken first dan, second dan, third dan black belt, and as well as a referee seminar coaching. We are trying very hard to achieve this, at least any sort of medal. I don't say it's gold or silver, any sort of medal, but we should get one gold, one medal at least. Let it be of any kind. Government is trying very hard to do all the infrastructures. Those who are existing, it has been repaired. Some are being repaired. Government is trying very hard. Messages in every field. In every field, you have to hard work. Let it be studies, let it be football, let it be table tennis, let it be taekwondo. You have to hard work.